We're going to start this off right with the question, do you want to or would you like to see Chase Sexton on the MX of Nations team? Now, obviously, he's been out I'll correct myself, for a good portion of this outdoor season, and since coming back has actually looked pretty good. Obviously, the last race, Washougal, he went 1-2 for the number one overall, so he has come back, and he's looked fast, he's looked competitive, and who knows? Obviously, there's a lot of rumors where he's going to be next year, but at the moment, on that KTM, he doesn't look horrible. And in a recent interview, he was asked, would he be in for MX Nation? He just said, I'm in. There was no ifs, ands, or buts. If somebody asked me, I'll consider it, or I've thought about it. No, it was just MX Nations, and he says, I'm in. That's it. So obviously, it sounds like he wants to do it, and with the recent results that he's been getting, it looks like he might actually kind of deserve it. I don't know how you want to say it. And it just kind of begs the question now, who would go? Obviously, Tomac still looks like he's doing well. What did he do? He went 2-3 at Washougal for third overall. So, he's still obviously a contender for this. And if you're going to say, if you get Eli Tomac, Chase Sexton, Deegan for your MX of Nations team, MXON, whatever you want to call it, it's a pretty solid team. It's just the question of who does the open class, who does MX1. Obviously, Deegan would be MX2. That's a given. But it's just going to be the question of, one, does he get picked? Because obviously he has been out for a very long time. Plessinger, you could kind of say, has earned it. I mean, he just has been just as consistent as anybody else in the field, and it makes it a lot easier if you get Eli Tomac, obviously MX1, Plessinger in the open class, and then you'd have Deegan MX2. But I mean, if Chase Sexton continues these results, the speed, up front, running with them, beating Jet Lawrence, beating Eli Tomac, beating Hunter Lawrence, there's a lot of speed right there. If he can continue to do this, I'd say he almost kind of earns it. He took a lot of time off and whatever that was, who knows. If he comes back and he's competitive, there's no reason not to give him that space, that selection, I don't know what you want to call it, especially if he's beating Jet Lawrence right now. It's one of those things, that's who he's going to be racing in the same class, or one of at least the same race. So I think it'd be a good idea. I mean, if you get those two guys on the right, Chase Sexton, Eli Tomac, and Deegan, that's a really good, solid, fast, fit team. It'd be a solid choice. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think he should be selected? Should it be Plessinger for just being as consistent as he has been this year? Tomac? I don't know, somebody else, Justin Cooper, whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things as platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.